Hi, I'm recording using Screencast-o-matic. You can see here, sort of, underneath my arrow for my mouse, there's a little button that is kind of blue with a little blue circle around it. That is the button, the extension for Screencast-o-matic that I have enabled on my computer. It is not too hard to get to. In order to get there, I had to go to the little vertical dots on my Chrome browser and go to settings or find more tools where you can go to extensions. And in the extensions, I clicked on the space here where it opens up the menu, and I went down to Open Chrome Web Store. Then I typed in Screencast-o-matic. It doesn't matter if you use the hyphens or not because it takes you right there. I've done it both ways. You click on Screencast-o-matic Launcher, and then it takes you to this page. I've already got it enabled on my computer, but you click here and then it will enable it for your Chrome, and then it installs that onto your computer. From there, it is pretty straightforward. I'm going to close out of this particular screen here. But you click on it, and because I've already got it open, it says Launch Recorder. You can click that button, and it will open up, as you see over here on the right side of my screen. Maybe you can't, it's outside the box. It opens up an application that runs on my computer that gives me access to a whole host of tools that I can use to draw on the screen or do any number of other fun kind of things. But here's my own personal YouTube channel, and what's nice about this is that once I'm done recording, I will click a pause button and stop the recording, and they'll ask me, do you want to upload this little narration that I provided? And once you do that, you can upload it directly into your YouTube channel, which you have enabled if you have a Gmail account. So it's a super handy tool. I recommend it. It's very straightforward, and anything that you have on your screen, it will record.